So that is perfect for doing wings, body holes and general bits and pieces. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about a toolkit from ARROWMAX. Okay, here we've got the AM-199440, which is a black and gold toolkit, 8 pieces, and it is primarily designed for 1/10 touring cars. That's what the intended kit is, but you can use it for off-road and 8 scale and whatever. But let's jump into the kit and have a look. So it's got a beautiful tool case, which has got the black and gold, this beautiful insignia on it. Then we open it up. Now on the left side we've been greeted by two turnbuckle wrenches. Now this is where the 10th scale electric really comes into it. We've got a 3 and a 4 mil, and that is going to be the predominant and main variants of turnbuckle tools for your current 10th scale on-road touring car. Yeah, so that's really cool. They'll sit in there really nice, beautifully finished. Now we'll go over with the dividing flap. Now the beauty in this flap, most people think it's awkward, but I love it because it saves your tools all rattling around and getting scuffed up. Because over time you can add to your toolkit with plenty of extra spaces and strapping as you expand your kit and go along. Okay, so over here, so the first tool we've got, like I said, this is a black and gold Honeycomb series. So we've got a body reamer. Now that goes from obviously a really sharp point to help you get through the body and up to 10 mil. So that is perfect for doing wings, body holes and general bits and pieces. Really good. Once you have one of these reamers, you never look back. Of course, in the three stage anodizing. So it's got black, it's got the gold and it's got the white anodizing on it. Super neat. Okay, so the next tool along is the spiral cut reamer. And this is designed to remove burrs on your suspension arms and pills if your car's got pills. And that makes sure that everything is straight and true and that your 3 mil hinge pins can operate with very little friction resistance and the right amount of tolerance, given that it's a 3 mil reamer, perfectly machined. Okay, next tool along is the 7 mil nut driver. And that's of course the most popular size for all the 4 mil wheel wrenches. So if you've got a 1/10 TC, you can pretty much guarantee that it's got 7 mil wheel nuts on it. Okay, next one along is your 3 mil Allen key, and that's often used with shock balls and fittings like that. So it's a rather large Allen key. Again, it's the tungsten tool bit with the 2-stage aluminium honeycomb handle. So it's got the black and gold handle and it's got the tungsten tip. Super hard. Of course, we've got the most commonly used tool in 10th scale RC, which is a 2 mil hex driver. Again, the precision tungsten tool, black and gold handle. And last but not least is the Allen driver for the pinions, 1.5 mil. And that's really going to be handy for changing pinions, you know, where you really need to apply a lot of torque on a small area. And with this tool here, you can be sure that you'll get definitely enough torque and purchase to not wreck your grub screws and to get your pinion done up really tight, because there's nothing worse than going out and losing a race or not finishing a qualifying session because your pinion's fallen off. Okay, so that's the 8-piece black and gold toolkit from ARROWMAX, the AM-199440. I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching.